Welcome to Tru-Lite Gas Products, Houston's one-stop shop for gas grills, gas lighting, outdoor fire pits, and indoor and outdoor fireplaces. Whether you're looking for a new gas log set or a new direct fit fireplace, traditional or linear, or even electric fireplaces, we've got the help for you. With our knowledgeable and caring expertise, we want to serve you and get the right fireplace for you. If electrics is what you're looking for, we've got a whole wall of electrics, both linear and traditional. Maybe you're starting to build an outdoor kitchen and you need to know where to go. We've got you covered. We've got all the top built-in grills like TruFlame, Fire Magic, AOG, RCS, and Napoleon. You don't want to go anywhere else when you talk about building an outdoor kitchen. Maybe you're not looking for a built-in gas grill. That's okay. We've got your freestanding grills right here at Tru-Lite Gas Products. We've got the likes of Napoleon, MHP, some of your best standalone grills we've got. Maybe you want just a simple charcoal grill, something under $500. We've got you covered. PK charcoal grills. Maybe you're a big green egg head. We've got those too, guys. In fact, we've got a whole lineup of Kamados. Big Green Egg, Primo, those are our main brands, and we've got you covered. For all you weekend barbecuers, we've got you covered here. We've got charcoal, pellets, seasoning, wood chunks. We've got some of the top brands like Meat Church, Suckle Busters, Barbecue Rubdown right here in store. Maybe you want to upgrade the exterior of your house with some authentic gas lights from New Orleans. Look no further, we've got you covered. We carry the likes of Flambeau, Coppersmith, Legendary, and all classic styles. Maybe you want to upgrade your backyard with some heat. Look no further than our fire pit section at Tru-Lite Gas Products. We've got the fire pit for you, whether concrete, aluminum, linear, square, we've got you covered. In short, we want to be your provider of choice for gas grills, gas lights, fireplaces, fire pits, you name it. We want to be there for you and develop a long-lasting relationship and see you in store at 1512 West 34th Street. Get in and we'll see you soon.